We want to see the best in people, but sometimes they do things that make you shake your head. Mispronounce a pop star's name, spread a rumor that is totally a lie, and occasionally rob a bank, which is slightly worse than spreading a rumor, but not by much. The history of bank robbing goes back a long way. In fact, it's as old as banks. Where there was a bank, there would be a robber. In America, the first recorded bank robbery was committed by Jesse James in 1866. He left with $16,000, the equivalent of $115,000 today, and a blueprint for how to do it across America. He became a villain and a hero. Jesse James inspired other notable bank robbers in the 1900s. Butch Cassidy, the Sundance Kid, and other outlaws began robbing banks in trains throughout the expanding US. They were celebrity criminals. It wasn't an honorable job. Many robbers would end up arrested or worse, killed by the FBI, proving it is never ever worth it. And despite being glorified in movies, the fact is that only 2% of robberies occur at banks. So if you've ever been the type to store money under your mattress, just know statistically, the bank is still the safest place you can keep it. And of course, as time passed, banks got more secure. They were no longer small, independent buildings on Main Street. They became complex institutions with various ways to keep their money and your money safe. But how safe is your money? Well, as long as you have under $250,000 in your bank account, it's incredibly secure and insured. Have over $250K in the bank? First off, wow, congrats. Secondly, you might want to spread it across a few bank accounts. Because when you have up to $250K in a bank account, it is insured by the FDIC. This insurance company makes sure that you are completely safe giving your money to your bank. If you put $100 in, the FDIC will guarantee you can take $100 out, every time. When it comes to personal finances, we want you to feel safe. With STEP, your money is insured up to $250K through the FDIC. FDIC Insurance was established in 1933 and comes automatically when you start a new bank account. It covers checking, saving, and money market accounts. It provides the security you need to take your money out of your wallet and put it into a financial institution. Because even if bank robbers aren't the celebrities they were 150 years ago, they're still out there. But now, they could take every dollar in the safe, but your money won't be affected at all. But the robber's life will be. Stealing from banks is a federal crime, and the FBI will put anyone who tries in jail for up to 25 years. STEP knows that building a relationship with a bank requires time and trust. And with FDIC Insurance, banks are earning our trust faster than ever. But what exactly is FDIC Insurance? And why do we need it? FDIC stands for Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation. This deposit insurance is a guarantee that in the unlikely event of a bank failure or a bank robbery, your money is still completely safe. And every dollar you deposited will be returned in full by the FDIC. Unlike car insurance, health insurance, and other insurances, FDIC is completely free and comes standard with any new checking, saving, and money market account. We need FDIC insurance for the security it brings to our deposits. Because when you have a job, your hard-earned money deserves a safe bank to stay in. FDIC insures it. And speaking of jobs, got one? If you do, that's great. But you know what's even better? Setting up direct deposit so you can get paid directly into your STEP account. Because hard work deserves fast pay. And with STEP, you can even get paid up to 2 days before your payday with early direct deposit. Waking up early? No thanks. Getting your money early? Yes, please. If your employer accepts direct deposit, here's how to set it up in 3 easy steps. First, tap Add Money. Second, tap Set Up Direct Deposit. And third, either send your employer your account and routing numbers or tap Get Direct Deposit Form. Boom! Done. Then just print out the form or email it to your employer. Once they get you set up, you'll see your paycheck in your STEP account up to 2 days early. And if you have money coming in, let's talk about how you can have money going out. Because we have concert tickets to buy, dates to impress, and meals to eat. Priorities, people. Did you also know STEP offers both a virtual card and physical card? A virtual card is a digital version of your STEP Visa card and lives on your phone 24/7. That way, if you're in bed shopping online or at a store and forgot your card at home, the card number can still be accessed from inside the app and through Apple and Google Pay. Here's how to set it up. First, open your STEP app. Second, tap Manage Card, located just under your home screen on the main menu. Third, tap Virtual Card. And fourth, tap Add to Wallet. And follow the steps to add it to your phone's wallet. And that's it. Doing this will allow you to pay for things on any of your devices. But if you're like me, you still like physical things, something you can touch and feel. And lucky for us, STEP has a physical card too. You can order your card by tapping Manage Card in the STEP app main window, then tap Physical Card. In case you lost your card or misplaced it, you can also reorder a new one in the same menu. All you have to do is tap replace card and you're on your way to spending again. It takes about 7 to 10 business days for you to get your step card in the mail after creating an account or ordering a replacement card. And while you count the days waiting for it to show up, you can still use your virtual card to pick up some flowers for that date night you have this weekend. Once you receive your card in the mail, you can use your card anywhere that accepts a Visa card as a form of payment. It can be swiped on a pin pad, inserted in the security chip slot, or tapped on wireless readers. However, if you're like me and tend to lose things every time you leave the house, be sure to lock your card whenever it goes missing. You can do this by selecting the physical card menu and clicking the status button to off. You'll be asked if you want to continue with the selection and click yes, lock it. Now, your card will automatically decline any charges, and if you find your card in your bed or nightstand a few days later, you can go back to the same menu and unlock it anytime. We understand that opening a bank account is a brave new world. Having FDIC Insurance allows you to know that your money is safe, and having a credit card and mobile pay allows you to know that your money can be spent however you so choose. The best of all worlds. Let's end on a high note and wrap up today's episode there. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm Kelly Wakasa. Be sure to follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter at Step, and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can start spending your money your way. The history of taxes goes back a long way. Like a really long way. Egypt, 3000 BC. The pharaoh would send out a team of collectors to take 1/5 of all grain harvest as a tax. If you lived in Egypt and you grew grain, the pharaoh wanted some of it. There is no clear reason why he took all of his people's crops. Many believe it was simply because he could. It was rude, but it was a flex.